Welcome back to Lumicore Labs. Day 10, double digits. It's practice day for loops. Last time you learned for loops and while loops. Today we're going to use them in 3 short, practical challenges. Simple, useful, and designed to make loops feel natural. Here's the plan. Challenge 1. Count from 1 to 10 using a loop. Challenge 2. Calculate the sum of numbers in a list. Challenge 3. A simple guessing game. Each one takes just a few lines of code. By the end, you'll be thinking in loops without even trying. As always, pause after each challenge. Try it yourself first, then watch my solution. Let's get looping. Challenge 1. Count to 10. Use a for loop in the range function to print the numbers 1 through 10. Remember, range, start to stop, goes up to but not including stop. So to print 1 through 10, you'll need range, 1 to 11. Pause now and try it. This is just 3 lines of code. This is the simplest possible loop. If you can do this, you understand the basic structure of a for loop. The variable takes each value from the range, one at a time, and the indented code runs once per value. If you write range 10, it starts at 0 and goes to 9. If you write range 1 to 10, it goes from 1 to 9, still missing 10. The stop number is always exclusive. Range 1 to 11 is how you get 1 through 10. Running it now. 1, 2, 3, all the way to 10. 3 lines of code. You've just automated counting. Imagine if you needed to count to 1,000, the code would be exactly the same. Just change 11 to 1001. Challenge 2. Sum a list of numbers. I've given you a list. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Use a for loop to add them all up. Start with a variable called total set to 0. Then, inside the loop, add each number to total. After the loop, print the result. Pause and build it. This is a classic programming pattern called the accumulator pattern. You start with an empty container, in this case, total equals 0. Then you loop through your items and add each one to the accumulator. At the end, the accumulator holds the answer. You'll use this pattern thousands of times in your career. The list has 5 numbers. 5 plus 10 is 15, plus 15 is 30, plus 20 is 50, plus 25 is 75. Let's see if our loop gives us the same answer. And the output says 75. Exactly right. Notice the loop is just 2 lines for num and numbers, and total plus equals num. Short, clean, and does all the work for you. Try changing the numbers in the list and run it again. The same code works for any list of any size. Challenge 3. A guessing game. Choose a secret number. I'll use 7. Then use a while loop to keep asking the user for guesses. If the guess is too low, tell them. If too high, tell them. When they get it right, congratulate them and use break to end the loop. Pause and give it a try. This is a while loop challenge because you don't know how many guesses the user will need. Maybe they get it on the first try. Maybe it takes 20 tries. The while loop handles that uncertainty. Keep going until they get it right. I'll test it now. First guess, 3. Too low. Second guess, 10. Too high. Third guess, 7. Correct. The loop ends. Watch how the loop keeps asking until I get it right, then breaks. This is exactly how real games work behind the scenes. If your code didn't work, check these 4 things. First, in while loops, are you updating the variable? Without that, you get an infinite loop. Second, will the condition ever become false? Third, in range, start to stop. Stop is exclusive. Fourth, if you're using break, make sure it's inside an if, otherwise it'll break on the very first iteration. Great work today. 3 challenges, 3 working programs. In the next video, we're diving into lists, a powerful way to store and organize multiple pieces of data. Hit the like button and subscribe to Lumicore Labs, and tell me in the comments, what number did you pick for your guessing game? See you on day 11.